These 3 apartment buildings are close to each other in proximity, with a total of 34 units. There are 32 bedroom apartments and 4 one-bedroom apartments. There are also 3 garage storage units on the Eastview property. A new flat TPO roof and shingles is scheduled to be installed on the Eastview building in November 2023, and the shingles will be replaced on the Colonial Court building in November 2023. 16 of the 34 AC units either have been replaced or will be replaced in 2023 by the seller. The current management has been making numerous updates to the apartments, including vinyl plank floors, new appliances as needed, kitchen and bathroom upgrades as needed. For more information, contact listing agent Ken McGuire at 317-385-7415.